Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Krisp AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in krisp.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Krisp AI website. If you haven't logged in, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, go ahead and click on the Manage Account button and you will be taken into your home page. Now in order to change your username, click on the settings option at the left side and you will be taken into your account settings. Now underneath your profile section, you will find your first and your last name. Go ahead and click on the first name section and then enter your desired first as well as your last name. And after entering your preferred new name, click on the save button and this will be saved as your new name right away. You can come back to this menu and change your name in the future as well for your Krisp AI account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on Krisp AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.